Kimmi. I'm on a healthy weight loss journey, and my journey includes everything, and I start sharing a little bit of everything with you. I want to show you, I am in the process of throwing out my vitamins. Bag full. So I was trying that, trying this for immune system. Got bone health. Everything gave me a side effect. Vitamin D3. I mean everything. Look at this. Cleanse for blood pressure. Just trying to take a vitamin with more greens. How about I eat my greens now, okay? Instead of taking that. Ain't nothing wrong with it, I guess, if you take it and enjoy it. Vitamin B complex for more energy. I get more energy from what I'm eating now. Hold on. I was taking calcium to make me go to the bathroom, help me sleep. Then I was taking this to help my hair grow. Look at this. One a day is supposed to have a little bit of everything. Then biotin for your hair. There we go. Look at this. All this. Look. More. Look at all that. Look at all that. I'm going to stand back so you can see. So I'm throwing all that out. That's it. I'm done. I wanted to bring this video to you, though, is I want you to think about it. Do we need a pill for everything? I say that all the time. I've been eating more greens. My skin is clearing up. Now I'm eating my greens instead of taking it in a pill form. Okay? You will never get enough vitamins. I know someone's going to say that from just eating it. I know that. But see what side effects these have. Everything has a side effect in every one of these pills. For those in the back, let me show you again for the people in the back. Okay? For those in the back who gonna say, Kimmi, I take all my vitamins. Take has to go through your liver. Everything you take has to be processed through your kidney. So you got all this stuff has to filter through your organs. Let's just see if we can replace any of these with a natural food, a food product, okay? Be it oranges for the vitamin C, some more greens, okay? Greens have everything that you need. They have calcium, they have protein, plants, okay? So I'm not plant-based. You guys know I do Weight Watchers right now. I always say right now because I don't know what I might do. I'm trying to do a little lower carb too. So anyway, let's just try to see, can we drink lemon water to clean our digestive tract instead of taking a pill for that? We take a pill for everything over here in the United States. I mean everything. Look how much money and each one of these is like $15 to $20, okay? Each one. Some of them were a little bit cheaper, but some of this stuff was name brand. I mean, it cost a pretty penny. So I got easily a couple $100 worth of stuff here. And I'm about to throw it away because I'm eating my way to health now. Sick of pills, okay? So you don't have to. Just thought I would share. So I showed you guys I was throwing out all of my vitamins. Let me show you what I'm replacing it with. Boom. Here I have my green apples. I have my little tangerines. I have a lemon, okay? I have my lemon. I have apples, green and red, okay? I also, in my fridge, let's show you that, I have my kale, okay? Kale. So I'm replacing that. I'm done with eating more salads, okay? I'm done with all those pills. I also have my grapes. Let me just show you that. I have my grapes, okay? So I'm all of that, those pills with healthy stuff. And you can tell I've been tearing up some garlic. Let me just show you that. And I've got this little one. Look at that, y'all. I eat a lot of garlic. So we was at the store. They didn't have the large one. I had to get this little one. So anyway, I'm trying to just eat healthier decisions, as I always say, instead of just taking a pill for everything, okay? So I'm going to encourage you to do the same thing. I was trying to see what else I have here. Okay. I have my carrots, baby carrots. Have a few bad things. I got some cheese, not giving up all together. I got my grapes, all right? I have my hummus. That's new for me. I've gotten rid of some of my other snacks. Let's just show you what else I have over here. My healthy things up there. I have my granola I talk about. I have my salt-free pretzels. I'll just show you that. You notice I have pecans. Those are really good for you. A lot of nutrients, okay? Then coming down to my snack thingy, I got my popcorn where I try to bake my own. Microwave my own. I've gotten rid of some of the snacks I was eating with a lot of chemicals in it. Now I'm gonna show y'all we had a cheat day today. A treat day, okay? Not a cheat day, a treat day. Krispy Kreme. I'm a full disclosure kind of person. Jeffrey had a coupon where he got some donuts for free. So we did go and we ate them. But we are back on track today, okay? So just want to let you see, again, just small changes. Helps your skin, helps your hair. And we gonna keep doing this thing. That's why I call it a journey. Every day I'm learning something different. Every single day. All right, guys. Well, until next time. Bye.